Hello! So, I have all this clothing to prepare us for the terrible winter that's outside. We've got my jacket that will trap air and keep me warm because air is a great insulator and a bad conductor of heat. We've got a fleece which will do the exact same thing. We've got a 60% polyester shirt, 40% cotton, which will carry a little water, but that's okay because it's mostly polyester. And we've got some ski pants to keep me even warmer. And we've got this flannel, which will also keep me warm, and 50% polyester pajamas.
Wow, Max, you really came prepared. I'm only wearing this t-shirt, some jeans, and a sweatshirt. Probably looks a little bit familiar.
We're all good. Luckily, our clothing will protect us from an avalanche.
Yes, because an avalanche would be very unfortunate.
Oh my god. What happened?
Oh man, I don't know. I think there was an airstrike.
What do we do now?
We should search for survivors.
Alright, let's do it.
Zach, I don't think I can go on.
I know. It's been 3 hours and we haven't seen any signs of survivors or even civilization.
Wait, is that a body?
I think it is. What's this? I think he's carrying something.
Hey guys!
Oh my god!
That was close.
Look, he has some notes.
Good. What does it say?
I
Oh my
think
god.
it's
This can't
some thermodynamics notes.
be. It is.
And a map to Tartiflette ingredients.
What could that be? I've never heard of such a thing.
Let's review the notes in our tent.
Max, I've been trying to figure out these notes that we found on the guy out there, but I just can't understand them. You think you could have a look?
Yeah, sure, I'll take a look.
Well, I mean, there was this.
Alright,
Pool and
I think I got this. What it's basically saying, Zach, is that the cold air outside is making the ground cold. And along with the snow on the ground, that will make the inside of our tent even colder through the laws of conduction. And conduction is basically delta Q over delta T equals K A delta T over L.
But what does all that mean?
Well, K is the constant for every material,
Oh.
right? A is the amount of surface area. Delta
So like,
T,
that would be in like meters cubed or something, like meters
yeah,
squared.
probably. It's just the area of the tent, you know?
Okay.
And delta T is the change in temperature. And L is the amount of thickness in between the two different surfaces, and in this case, that would be the ground and the air inside the tent. The way to make us more warm would be the L. That's the key. We have to increase the amount of layers we have between the ground and the air inside the tent to increase the L value, which will, if you look at the formula, decrease the amount of heat transfer in between the air and the ground and keep us warmer in here. But something even more key is something about Tartiflette, and I don't think I can really understand it. You want to give it a shot?
Oh, Tartiflette. Yeah. I mean, I was going through the notes earlier, and that's the one thing I was actually able to understand. For what I'm able to comprehend from what was written here, and I mean, it's a lot written here, it's a big notebook, but from what I'm able to understand, it's this dish that helps people survive in colder conditions. The reason, or the way it does that, is by its high caloric amount, and its high amount in fat and stuff, because that helps our body stay warm. It gives us a lot of fuel to stay warm throughout the night. And as you were talking about with the air and conduction and all that stuff, the more our body has
to keep it warm by itself will kind of negate the amount of insulation we have. It'll help us out.
exactly by giving us more fuel to burn and therefore keeping us warm.
Exactly. Alright, so I think we need to get our hands on some Tartiflette. And luckily, it looks like there's a map leading to just that. Let's go, Zach.
Yeah, let's go for it.
You know, Zach, we've been walking for a while and I haven't seen Tartiflette anywhere.
That's true, but as I'm staring at this map, I just happened to realize that there's some scribbling at the bottom of it. Can't you see right there?
Yeah, I see it.
It says, "Beware of sea bears." I mean, I have no idea what that is, but that can't possibly apply to us because we're on land and not in the sea.
Oh my god, Zach. I've heard legends of sea bears around and they're dangerous. Wait! Tartiflette!
Could it be?
It is! Wait, Zach! That's an oval! We're not safe yet. We have to get to the kitchen.
And fast.
Zach, we finally made it to the kitchen. Are you ready?
Born ready.
Oh my god! Zach, a sea bear!
I thought they were a myth.
Zach, no! At least someone else will get to use the Tartiflette.